Hey everyone, welcome back to our vegan dining room.
All right, well, you've been waiting for this probably. We do this every Veganuary.
We do.
We have the dogs rush in, and then we talk about what vegan YouTubers we watch.
Woo!
And I have to say,
This list is...
It's dwindling.
Yeah.
You would think with all of the lockdowns and everything going on that we would have been watching more YouTube when in fact we haven't really...
Watching more Drag Race!
We've been watching, I want to say like more targeted videos. Instead of watching every video that a creator puts out, we'll pick and choose more.
But also so much Drag Race.
Been watching a lot of Drag Race.
Yeah, I'm not complaining.
I'm not angry. All right, so I guess when we go through the list, we'll tell you who we watch. Because some of them we watch all of the videos that they put out. And some of them are more targeted, like if they put out something that we're interested in, we'll click on it.
And in general, like pretty much always, you watch way more of this than I do. Like
I do.
Not that that's a bad thing. I'm just saying
because she reads more than I do.
Yeah, I'm just saying if it seems like I'm sitting here and I'm just like, that's because I am.
Also,
not because I'm disinterested. It's just I don't watch as much YouTube.
Also, I have a lot more time than you to kill because I'm always either picking up or dropping off
you have time
Sean.
waiting in the car for
I
Shawnee.
spend a lot of time in the car. All right, so this first creator is in the UK.
Yes.
And we pretty much watch every video that she puts out. She's written...
Say who it is.
Oh, I'm sorry. Madeline Olivia.
Yes.
She's written a book. She's also got several ebooks. And I like her a lot because she tends to be minimalist.
Yeah.
She's not a strict minimalist, but she's given me a lot of inspiration in how I can clean up my act. And think that, you know what, if you're not perfect, it's okay, don't beat yourself up type of thing. She's been a big influence in my journey.
Yeah.
To not sweat the small things.
She's really relatable too.
She's about
like,
your age,
she's
right?
like a year younger than me, which is really fun. And she is really honest with her viewers.
She's very honest, and I appreciate that
things
so
like
much.
Mental health. She talks a lot about that, which is great. She keeps it real, and I appreciate that. So I really enjoy her videos.
All right.
And they have the cutest dog. Her and her boyfriend have the cutest
They
dog.
do.
Sorry, fiance. They have the cutest dog.
Oh, that's right. They got engaged. And she renovated an English cottage with her fiance as well. And she's getting married next year. I can't wait for those videos. All right, so the next one, Monson made this. Hi, Michael.
Michael! We love Michael.
I guess he's in Las Vegas. I like a variety of places, you know? So, like...
Yeah, of course.
Here's my Vegas hookup. I find that...
well, we actually, like, have a personal relationship now with Michael. Like, we're friends.
Yay! I feel like I have very similar aesthetics to the types of foods that Michael likes to eat. And his partner as well has gone vegetarian/vegan. Mostly vegan, I would say. So that's nice because they're in a blended family situation and we're in a blended family situation, and I like gourmet food and they like gourmet food.
I like their taste testing videos. They're a lot of fun.
Yeah. So I really appreciate Michael's videos, and we pretty much watch all of the videos that Michael puts out as well.
Also, Michael's Instagram is gorgeous. Really, really beautiful food. I drool like every time he posts. So keep up the good
Instagram
work.
goals.
Yeah.
All right. The Vegan Zombie up in Syracuse. OG in the vegan community. I think he's been vegan for over 25 years.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Also has a cookbook. Love the taste test videos. Love the Aldi shopping videos because I like to know when new products come out. We're not that close in distance, but we have...
well, I feel kind of a personal connection there because I went to school in Syracuse and I lived there for 4 years. So it's cool to see somebody from that area.
Right. And my husband's dying to move up to Syracuse. So we kind of keep an eye on things, how they're going up there.
No more Syracuse winters. No.
And his friend, who he wrote the cookbook with, is married and started a channel with his wife called The Vegan Homestead. They just bought a home up there.
Oh, cool.
And they have a bunch of rescue dogs. They're going to be doing
Aw.
lots of gardening this year, and I really love keeping up with them. That's John and Kristen. And in fact, when you did an interview up there, you were conducting the interview.
Oh, right. Yeah.
You went
for
to
one
the
of my
garden center that he
news
worked
classes.
at, and I'm dying to go back now and see if I could see him
In the background.
in the background. All right. Another OG, Hot for Food. She's on her second cookbook.
Lauren.
It's coming out in March.
Mm-hmm.
And she makes delicious comfort food
Yes.
in her recipes.
We've tried many of her recipes, and they're very good.
They're winners. I believe she was one of the first people that I saw do the cauliflower wings.
Mm-hmm.
And when I first went vegan.
Yeah, we also were obsessed with her chicken noodle soup.
Yes, very good,
Mm-hmm.
very good. All right, here's a new girl on the scene, Vegan Bodega Cat, and in fact, I just saw her and her boyfriend's picture in Veg News. So congratulations to them. She's down in Brooklyn, and she does a lot of restaurant reviews. You know, I haven't lived down in New York City for about 30 years, but it feels like yesterday. I miss it so much. And I went to school in Brooklyn. I went to college in Brooklyn, so I really miss the vibe down there.
Oh, you're such
It's
a
nice.
Pam Beasley with your Pratt Institute.
No, right? I really miss I miss New York City, so I like to live vicariously through her down there.
Mm-hmm.
All right, here's another new one on the scene, Tangela.
Oh, yeah, we've been dipping our toes into the Tangela pool lately.
She came out with a cookbook, about 6 months ago?
Mm-hmm.
Tyler's back from Big Brother All-Stars, and I like their vlog style videos. I appreciate it's very laid back.
I like to see what they're like in real life.
Yeah.
You know, because we've seen them on the show.
We've covered them on the show, on our other channel, and now it's nice to see that they've both gone vegan.
And I like that they're promoting the vegan message to their followers.
Love it.
Their viewers.
All right. Naomi Smart, she's in the UK. We used to watch every video that she put out, but
we haven't watched her lately.
you know, I don't think she's been putting out as many videos. She had a breakup. A lot of her videos are kind of dependent on going out and filming things. So with the pandemic, I know, Lucy, it's been tough.
I know, it's been a rough year, Lou.
Yeah.
It's okay.
So she really hasn't been putting out as much, and what she has been putting out, I think, are more like exercise type videos, which I'm not really into.
I think she got like certified in
she did?
like, yoga instructing.
Oh,
or something.
nice.
I don't know, but yeah, good for her.
She also wrote a cookbook.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Healthy Crazy Cool. He's also in the UK. I don't think you've ever seen any of his videos, but
I don't think so.
I really enjoy his videos. He's very whole food, plant-based, and he has a very unhealthy obsession with tahini and with nut butters.
Sounds good to me.
And I don't watch all of his videos, but I really do I do appreciate his What I Eat Today videos, so like him. All right, this is one that I've just started watching this year, Young Man Cooking, and love Asian style vegan food. And he cooks all different varieties. Like he'll throw some Japanese in there, some Chinese.
It's Will, right?
It's Will, yeah.
Okay.
Some Korean. So very easy.
You've tried a few things by him. And
We have tried a
good.
few, and they've all been winners. I just love it, and very easy to follow along with his videos for the recipes, because some of those techniques can be a little bit difficult, you know?
Yeah.
Family Fizz. I used to watch all of their videos. It's a vegan family of 6 now. They just had another baby last year, I think it was. And they travel all around the world. And I love seeing them make vegan work all around the world.
Yeah, that's awesome. If you guys are into travel, that's definitely one to check out.
Right. They're originally from the UK. And I'll never forget how excited I was for them when they only had 2 kids at the time. They sold everything they had pretty much that didn't fit in a backpack and decided to move to the Canary Islands. I know.
That's crazy.
Know. And I love their travel videos. Fantastic. All right. Well Your World.
Oh.
Love those oatmeal clusters.
Mm-hmm.
Another whole food plant-based.
Okay.
Strictly whole food plant-based. So like no junk food there in the recipes. It's tough.
That's not totally our vibe. Like I definitely like that every once in a while, but I also need
I need balance.
Yeah.
You know? I would love to be totally whole food plant-based.
I have so much respect for people who do that, but I cannot do that.
But they make him and his girlfriend over there, they make wonderful whole food plant-based videos, so really enjoy them and show how it can work. Caitlin Shoemaker, she's over in the Northwest, and right? I had to think there for a minute. It's probably opposite for you guys. I don't know.
It might be flipped. I'm not sure.
Yeah. She just wrote a cookbook this year. I guess everybody's been writing cookbooks in lockdown.
Yeah.
And she is more whole foods plant-based, but not exclusively, and gluten-free.
Okay.
So I've been really enjoying her What I Eat in a Day videos as well. Another OG, Unnatural Vegan. You guys probably know her, Swayze. The thing that I love about her channel is that she doesn't give an F. She does lots of reviews on when people come out with these outrageous claims. And if veganism is not the best thing, even though she's vegan, she'll let you know, hey, this is not the best thing for this.
That's good. I like that.
She's totally honest, very nonpartisan.
Mm-hmm.
So she'll just be totally honest in her reviews of studies and things that come out like that.
Wait, is she the one that looks like Kristen?
Yes.
Oh, okay. She
Yep.
looks like my sister.
Yeah, she really does. Okay, another OG, nutritionfacts.org. That's Dr. Greger. Also, same thing. He is totally honest in his research and reviews.
Mm-hmm.
And his channel is very straightforward, very short, concise videos, easy to follow. He also does a lot of live Q&As. If you can go on there and ask him a question.
Nice.
And he'll answer it while he's on his treadmill walking. I own quite a few of his books. He's great. Now, this is one that I haven't been watching that much. Veggie Rose. She was down in Philly, and she moved down to Miami.
Mm-hmm.
But unfortunately, she had a roller skating accident down in Miami and shattered her arm.
That's
so
awful.
She hadn't been doing a lot of cooking videos, but she is finally getting back into making videos. Not so recently, but recently. And she is, I think she's like half Puerto Rican, so she has like a lot of Puerto Rican style food videos, which are interesting because I love tasting
all different types of food.
all different types of foods. I'm open to pretty much anything. So I always look for videos that's going to expose me to something that I'm not used to eating.
Yeah.
And now, Avant-Garde Vegan.
Oh.
I believe he's on his 3rd cookbook. Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Gaz, you're amazing. You make beautiful food. He's in the UK. And I think he said that when he was getting to 1 million subscribers, he was going to open a restaurant over there.
Is he there yet?
He might be. He might be. If he's not, he's very close.
Well, that's exciting.
I know. And he worked in a restaurant from the time he was a teenager.
Mm-hmm. He's very talented.
He's very talented, and his recipes are very inventive. I like him a lot. All right, we're getting down to the nitty-gritty here. We've only got a couple more creators left. All right, Kira Ann. Her channel had a couple of different names, I think, but I think she finally went with Kira Ann for branding, I guess. But
Okay.
she is in Massachusetts. She's a vegan minimalist. Now, this girl is a minimalist and, like, very environmental. So, like, doesn't really use paper towels and all that type of stuff. And she's got a lot of cleaning videos. She moved in with her boyfriend recently, I think within the last... you know what? She moved in with her boyfriend right at the beginning of the pandemic.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So she's got living cheaply, living minimally, lots of videos like that. A lot of spending, like, no money videos, like how to live as cheaply as possible.
I'm interested in that.
Exactly.
As I think a lot of us are.
Yeah. So I do like her videos, and all of the videos, all of the creators will be linked in the info box. In case you didn't get the name, just you can go to the info box, click on their link, and it will take you to their channels.
Yeah.
And last but not least, So You're Dating a Vegan.
Oh.
They are actually married now with a child that they had.
They have a bebe.
They have a bebe that's only just turned a year old. And they don't really make very many videos, so whenever I see a video of theirs pop up, I jump right on it because I want to see how they're doing.
Yeah.
They used to live in Brooklyn, and right before the pandemic hit, they had to get out of their apartment because the person, their landlord, was selling the building or something like that. Oh. So they moved in with her parents up in Connecticut, and they never moved out. And it's nice to see how that works. So I don't think Liz, the wife, mother, is 100% vegan, but she's doing her best. And I think they're raising their daughter vegan.
Oh, are they?
Yeah, and Duncan is a filmmaker. And it's just, their videos are very hipster.
Yeah, they definitely have that, like, hipster
vibe.
Brooklyn.
Yeah, yeah. It was fun. I really, really enjoyed their wedding video. They went on the subway and got married in the park, and then they had some Ethiopian food, you know, afterwards. Or that might have been for the rehearsal dinner, but I just appreciate them so much because I feel a little bit cooler after I watch one of their videos.
Here we go, Brooklyn again over here.
That's right. So that's all the YouTubers that we've been watching this year. If you guys have any suggestions who we should check out, let us know in the comments. Did you have anything that you wanted to add? Because I made up this list. I curate her video.
Yeah, I just
watching,
I don't watch as much YouTube, but I miss like the Jenna Marbles and Julian videos together. I hope they're doing well.
I haven't really seen any cooking videos coming out from Julian, which is a real shame because I really enjoyed watching him try and recreate things that were gluten-free and vegan.
Yeah, but it is what it is. So, thank you guys so much for watching.
Hope your Veganuary is going great.
Yep. And we'll see you all next time. So until then, wait, we're doing a Q&A video. So, guys, make sure if you want us to answer your question in the video, leave it in the comments below and just
say, this is for the Q&A video. Don't answer now.
Because at this point, we only have questions from the lovely Yvonne Rodriguez, which is fine. We could do the Yvonne Rodriguez Q&A.
We could.
But if you guys want your questions in there, let us know.
Alrighty.
Okay, so now, until next time, much love.